Committees of Parliament can go from respectful to robust, especially when political ideologies collide. But honourable members are always expected to behave in a reverential manner, with those appearing before committees while being called to account are still offered a certain level of protection. The day the committee kicked off, Evidence Leader for Parliament, Nazreen Bawa, laid the groundwork.
It is not a court of law. It is not a quasi-judicial process or an adversarial process. You do not sit as a committee of judges. It is also not tasked to assess a criminal conviction.
Recording in progress.
These are not criminal proceedings. There is no accused, and there is no one that has to plead guilt or innocence.
This, however, is not what was witnessed during the first week of meetings.
Chair, I think this committee has discussed on numerous events how Advocate Mpofu conducts himself in this inquiry. He is saying to the witness must not try to be overly clever. I don't really think that we should be using such kind of a language in this inquiry.
Chairperson, I don't know if the honourable member understands what cross-examination is about. This is, firstly, I don't appreciate my cross-examination being unnecessarily interrupted.
On more than one occasion, committee chairperson Kubudile Dyanki stepped in, querying Advocate Mpofu's manner of speaking. But Dyanki does acknowledge that the tone of the committee will be more robust than usual because it is an inquiry.
We have evidence being led by an evidence leader, followed by cross-examination by the legal team representing the Public Protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane. And inherent in such a process, it's important to understand that we're always balancing two important issues. On the one hand, we have to pursue the facts and evidence in order to get to some truth about what is being placed in front of us. On the other hand, there's an important role of us protecting the witnesses.
Executive Director for the Council for the Advancement of the South African Constitution, Lawson Naidu, says this is not a judicial or adversarial process.
We're seeing an adversarial process being played out before Parliament with long-winded cross-examination of witnesses and the like. The committee needs to focus on the allegations against Advocate Mkhwebane insofar as they relate to the misconduct that she is alleged to have committed.
This inquiry is the first of its kind in South Africa. Bawa said the process of removing a public protector should not be an easy feat for Parliament. Abra Barbia, SABC News, Parliament.